Hello and welcome to a brand new video. If you've ever wanted to make professional looking videos without spending hours learning complicated editing software, InVideo might be the tool for you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it step by step. So it's ChatGPT style. You just write whatever it is that you want to come to life and you can make it right away. And here's today what we'll cover in a few minutes. It's a quick tour of the dashboard, so you know where everything lives, how to choose a template or start from scratch, editing basics like adding text, stock footage, and music. You can customize it with your own brand kit, logo, and colors, a look at the AI tools that speed things up, and finally how to polish, export, and share your finished video. So right off the bat, as soon as you're in InVideo.io, you want to press sign up right here. And as soon as you do that, it's going to take you to a widget right here where you can sign up with your email or you can continue with Google. Now, as soon as you sign up with Google, it's gonna take you to the main home dashboard area of InVideo. And it's basically this little cutesy chat prompt, which can do so much. Now, once we find ourselves right here in the dashboard, it has a simple chat prompt type area, exactly like most of these AI apps. You can generate the video right here by giving it a prompt. You can create an AI twin in which you have to introduce your voice, your avatar, i.e. basically put your face into a camera and send it through. And then you can turn the YouTube to avatar as well. You can link in your YouTube channel and then do that. Now you got these human actors that you can use. Whoa.
This is the most adult purchase I've ever made.
Same.
And we're not even gatekeeping it.
This laptop stand, game changer.
Okay, so you can get these people to talk about your product and they've supplied their likeness to set things. These are human actors. Now, these are virtual actors that do the exact same thing.
What if the very fabric of our reality, the thing we trust...
Wow, and selected AI twins, which is basically what we are talking about. You can have it create short videos. You can have it create an entire sort of animated show using AI, using this chat prompt. You can make explainer videos for YouTube. You can have your own script right here. You can have it come up with its own. You can create an ad with a human actor, and you can hire one. You can have entire workflows, faceless short videos, scripted videos. So it's pretty comprehensive as to exactly what you want. You can make animated shows, like I said, create generative films, or you can clone yourself. So what is right here? You can add plugins. This is the history of what you use. You've got generative pics, staff pics. People have used InVideo to create these things right here. And you can copy set prompt. And you see how down to the details, the nitty-gritty details you can have to get on these prompts in order for the AIs to get it right. The more I work with these AI platforms, especially the generative ones, the more I discovered that you need to be an expert at prompting and you need to do a lot of research. And I've done a lot of research with this, but sometimes if you want to go really fast, you can just ask ChatGPT or any AI that you use in order to prompt it directly. And some of these awesome websites actually come with their own prompt guide. So these are staff picks as to all of the different genres of things that you can create using InVideo. And by the way, we're on the free plan, but there's a myriad other ways that you can pay. So these are different plugins, the history, your media library, and your home. So without further ado, let's give this little thing a whirl. I want to actually go to ChatGPT and I want to come up with a nice prompt. Great. So I took to ChatGPT and I asked it to give me a prompt that tests out all the free features of InVideo while not breaking the bank, because we don't want to pay for it right now. I want to show you everything that you can achieve if you sign up with the free version. And it gave me this: AI visuals, create a 2-minute explainer video titled The Science of Morning Routines using only stock footage, AI visuals, and text-based graphics. By the way, with InVideo, if you tell it to only include AI videos, it will. But if you don't actually really hone in on that fact, it might use stock footage as well. a warm, upbeat intro scene with animated text saying whatever, and it's very, very comprehensive because I wanted to test visual and audio generation, script and caption alignment, stock assets and icons, and scene structure, and also transitions and overlays. And without further ado, let's press generate my video. Creating, please wait while we start. And now it looks like most of these AI generation platforms, whether it be web apps, websites, or images, or text-to-speech, they all mostly look like this. And I actually really like the UIs of just it being a chat prompt because it just makes you not necessarily a pro at any of these subjects, but you can dabble and you can get your hands dirty. So it took about a minute to think about it, and then it asked me about what the duration that it wants. I want anything that can just be used anywhere. So let's say 1 minute for YouTube, and the media that we can use is basic, uses licensed stock media from top providers, uses our most efficient generative models, and the Pro uses the fast and similar generative models. So I want to see if we can, okay, so this uses 15 credits. If I use this, okay, so still not using credits. This uses 30. I don't know if the free version has anything to do with it, but let's try. Let's try and create a 1 minute and use 8 credits. And there are further details. You can show AI twins, more options like motivate to act, science-based backed habits, simple steps. You can modify said options. So there's like so much that you can do. Let's motivate people. All right. Okay, so we're going to have to, okay, so if it needs credits, we're going to have to like dial it back. Okay, and it's working. All right, let's see. So it's working the scenes, working the scripts, and it's giving you sort of a rundown of exactly what it's cooking, transform your morning in 2 minutes. It's analyzing the scene now. All right, so we're back right after 10 minutes or so, 10 to 12 minutes it took. I was on Safari, and it told me that previews work better on Edge or on Chrome. And I've seen this a lot with AI generators in general, that they usually function better on certain web browsers. So yeah, I didn't purposefully didn't want to check the preview until we were together. Now we officially have a preview for the prompt that we gave it for, like a 2-minute explainer video titled "The Science of Morning Routines." Let's see if this is complete bobbins or if this is fire. All right, let's the preview is 720p. Let's press play.
Hey, good morning.
Damn,
Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. Ever wonder why some people seem to have their life together before 9 a.m.? Today, I'm breaking down the science of morning routines and how a few simple habits can seriously boost your day. Let's start with why routines even matter. When you follow a set routine, you actually free up mental energy. Instead of making a million tiny decisions, your brain goes on autopilot, leaving you more focused for the stuff that really counts. Studies show that people with consistent morning habits are more productive, less stressed, and even happier throughout the day.
Wow.
So, what makes a great morning routine? First up, hydration. After a night's sleep, your body craves water. Drinking a glass first thing wakes up your system and jumpstarts your metabolism. Next, stretch it out. A few minutes of stretching or light movement can boost your mood and shake off sleepiness. You don't need a full workout, just get your body moving. Journaling is another game changer. Writing down your thoughts or goals helps clear your mind and set your intentions for the day. Even jotting down 3 things you're grateful for can shift your mindset. Here's my biggest tip. Start small. You don't need a 2-hour routine. Pick one habit, like drinking water or stretching, and stick with it. Once it feels natural, add another. Small steps lead to big changes over time. So are you ready to build your perfect morning?
Whoa.
Start tomorrow. And remember, consistency beats perfection every time. Build your perfect morning. Start tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living your best life.
This was, wait a minute. Why was this like seriously high-key inspirational? I was moved. I'm not gonna lie. So this is the preview of the first video that we did on the free version. We just signed up and we just yapped for a minute and a half, and now we have this entire intro video. This looks like everything, every reel ever that I see on Instagram or on TikTok. And these are the editing. You can have, like, this is version 1. You can make it come up with version 2. Right here, you can give commands to edit the video. Have her say good morning once at the start. Now, of course, there is the watermark because we are in the free version. As far as the tiers, this is annually, so there is a 20% if you pay annually. The plus version is $28 a month, $2.8 per credit, and you get 10 credits. You can make up to 50 video minutes. Now that also scales up to 50 on max, 40 credits, and then you get 200 video minutes, and so on and so forth. You can use 8 UGC product assets, and then that scales up with a generative one to 100, and so on and so forth. You can have up to a team, and you get the best value there, but it's mass production. And this is pretty incredible. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love. So the science of morning routines, updating chapter 1. So it says good morning only once. Let's check it now. Can we check?
Hey, good morning.
There you go.
Ever wonder why some
That's incredible. So yeah, we can edit right here. We can make this response. This was amazing. Yes, it was amazing. You can tell it, so that it learns. You can undo and redo. You can change the music back to Portland. You can change whatever it is. This is the music that it used right here. You can upload your own music. You can use stock music from this space right here. So you can change the music right here, and you can mess with the script that it generated. There are unsaved. Yeah, discard the changes. I don't want to change that. So you can have her say whatever it is that you want, including the little gaps, because let's say she says good morning, and then there's a 2-second gap. You can make that into a 1-second gap, and then you can add stock media. You can change the narrator. So it's incredible. You can change your name. You can change the voice. And the settings right here, the overlay presets, you can change the overlays. You can have the transitions be something incredibly different. The style of subtitle, the stickers, and the text, you can change the text as well. The sound effects volume, there's so much that goes into it, and all of this is available and to be done. And by the end of it, now you can have little variations in it. You're back here to the little widget. I'm going to download this version and I want to use it on my channel. No watermarks. If you no watermark, you have to upgrade. So let's go stock, normal, and 1080p, and then we can download it. This was us absolutely just killing it with an AI video generator. This was InVideo. We showed you how to prompt it, the different things that you can do with it, how long it takes us to actually make a prompt, and then the final product with the watermark, all on the free version. And now that it's ready and ready to download, everything is just set. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.